Was there a lifetime? Hello, paring Don here. Tuturok sa inyo, Lifetime. Ben and Ben. Parang nagkaroon ng mas mahaba na verse. Basta, tuturo ko na lang. Umaba yata are dun sa naunang release. So, let's start. Kuha tayo ng kapo. Lagay natin sa first fret. Okay? Para madali. Kasi, hindi ganun kadali. Sa beginner, pagka walang kapo, matutugtog mo yung kanilang key. Kapag ginanto mo, tapos madali lang ang mga chords. Ngayon, after, kung wala kang kapo, pwede mo namang kunin na lang yung chords, tapos gamitin mo as yung mga ibibigay kong chords na naandyan sa screen, na laang, di ba? Pwede mong gamitin na laang yung madaling chords, and then kakantahin mo sa mababang key. Ganun na lang, di ba? Yaon. And then we start na. So, ayan, kapo, first fret, alright? And then let's start with C major 7. Was there a C major 7? 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. G. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then balik sa C major 7. And then D. And then parang intro. Kasama pa rin sa intro yung kumanta di ba? B minor 7 yung susunod na chord. 4 na counts din. 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor. And then A minor 7. And then pasok na ang verse. Okay? 4 counts lang yun, yung A minor 7. So, after nung 4 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, C major 7, ang pinakang verse. Paper planes and porcelain. Okay? So, C major 7 or C, pwede na rin. Okay? Pero, hindi naman mahirap ang C major 7. Ganyan lang, di ba? So, and then G. So, yung C major 7 G, tig for 4 counts, 3 beses. Paper planes and porcelain, smell or rain through window pane. Isa pa, pangatlo. Oh, you were a minor 7, good dream. And then, kanta ulit, verse. I was scared to lose your day. Ganun ulit, 3 beses. Okay? So, after ng pangatlo, A minor 7 ulit. Pero, oh, you were a mas mahaba. Isa pa. Was there a ganon. Okay? Chorus na tayo. Was there a B minor 7? Time with E minor. A minor 7. And then D, 2 counts. C. A lifetime. B minor 7 ulit. Okay? E minor. A minor 7. Ito, D na laang. D. And then, kanta ulit. Tangled with. Okay? Another eye. Okay? So, ito, magbabago do sa Oh, You Were a Good Dream. So, 3 ulit ito. Pangalawa na ito. Never mind. Glimpse of me and you. Oh, you were a 2 counts, A minor 7. B minor 7. And then, asan na ako? ito yung nadagdag, Smoke and Ashes. Okay? So, itong Smoke and Ashes, ito yung part na nag-iba yung dating ng mga bagsakan. Yung bang, bang, parang ganon. Parang gano'n, down, 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 di ba? Smoke and ashes from, di ba? Ganun yan. So, C major 7, smoke kagad. Smoke and ashes from the December. Cherry till ending, there's no beginning. And then A minor 7. And then B minor 7. C. Then D. Smoke. C. Smoke and ashes from this G. Ulit, C. G. Beginning. A minor 7. Is it even worth to reminisce? How do you grieve love that even exists? They're alive. Okay? So, iba yung dating ng C. Yung paglipat ng C. Is there a life? So, sa there. Okay? Even exists. Is there a... Okay, there a life? Nagets mo yan? Even exists. Sa D. Is there a life? Okay? Okay? Alright. So, ito, pasok ulit ang chorus. Was there a... Okay? So, ito, ganun na nga, chorus na nga. Ganun din naman. To the one we had. G. Matagal. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then C minor. Actually, C minor, G. Ibig sabihin, pinapatunog mo ng malagom, malakas, ang G. So, naka-G ka, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pag C minor mo, patunugin mo rin tong third fret ng 6th string mo para naka-G ang dating. Pero C minor yung chord. Yan. And then, C major 7. Tapos G. C minor 7. Major 7, sorry. G. And then, C major 7. E minor. A minor 7. And then, B, C. And then, bridge. So, ang bridge, B minor 7. Was it too bold of me to... Yan. B minor 7. 4 chords ng 4 chords lang. Me, you. A minor 7. D, C. B minor 7. E minor. And then, matagal na. A minor 7. C minor. And then, B minor 7. A minor 7. And then G. Ito yung never mind you were. So, glimpse of me. Ito sa C major 7. Glimpse of me. Okay, B minor 7. And pagkatapos niyang B minor 7, oh, you were right. A minor 7. Good dream. B. Ganon. Tapos magdidisus. Is there a... last chorus na. Light. Okay? Ito. DC. Yan. Yung pattern na yan, 3 beses. Okay? Kasi, mahaba na yung last chorus. Isa pa. Okay, ganun lang. Tapos yung pang-apat, ito pang-apat, D na lang, D. To what we had before, C. Ganon. Hindi siya apat. So, to the one we had before, 1 and 2 and D. Is there a lifetime waiting for us? Ganon. Ending na to eh. All this time I have been yours. C major 7, pinaka ending. C major 7. Ganon. Reloaded. Lifetime. B&B. Okay? Alright. Paring Don here. Apil.